Hi everyone, Sarah Beth Owens Realtor here. I wanted to do a little maintenance home video about septic systems. A lot of these real properties, mine for example, is on a septic system. So if you are a buyer looking at a property on a septic system, or if you are a current homeowner who has a septic system, here's a little maintenance thing that you definitely should be doing probably once every 6 months, according to septic inspectors and pumpers, is cleaning your septic filter. Super easy to do, not too terribly gross. I do have some little gloves on, but if your septic system has one of these little things, it's probably the cap for your filter. Yes, that's what that is there for. So popping that filter off, pulling the filter out, giving it a really good hose down, and making sure it's all cleaned off and not filled with gunk, and then putting the filter back in, putting the cap back on, and checking that, like I said, once every 6 months. According to septic inspectors and pumpers, they said that is probably one of the leading causes of issues to your drain field is having that clogged, which can cause issues to happen within your drain field. So keeping that nice and rinsed and cleaned off is a good way of preventing that. So something you might not have known, but now you know. And again, we just literally pop that off. And down there, this little handle thing is the filter. We pull that up, and this is recently being cleaned, so it's nice and clean. And then you hose it off and pop it back in there. It just fits in there nicely. Grab your lid and put it back on, and you're good to go. So if you, again, have a septic system or looking at properties with septic system, little maintenance thing that you should be doing. Also, having your septic pumped, depending on the household size, at least every 2 to 3 years, give or take. And when you are purchasing a property, having it pumped and inspected is definitely recommended. Any other questions? Reach out.